Welcome to Auto Guide. Dirty or adulterated fuel gives poor engine performance. Oftentimes, people purchase petroleum products with an uncertainty that it is suitable for their vehicle's engine. If your vehicle runs on diesel, this episode is for you. Today on Auto Guide, Engineer Patrick focuses discussion on tips for your diesel vehicle.
This is a diesel-powered Range Rover 2014 Sport. The owner bought it brand new. It has not even gone up to 20,000 kilometers, but it has been parked here for over a month because of the poor diesel that we have in Nigeria. What do we do? What is the solution? We read that the government is planning to end dirty diesel coming into Nigeria. But when we know every unscrupulous importer bringing diesel without certification, and so we are losing money, the owners are not happy. A diesel Range Rover in Europe would have been one of the best cars to drive. We want you to know what is the solution for the diesel. If you are using a diesel vehicle, don't buy from the petrol station. Buy in a keg and let it settle down. Underneath, most times you find water. There's a water sensor here that detects water, and if there's too much water, it will go into the nozzles. A nozzle for this vehicle is 120,000, one. And imagine once the nozzle goes bad, the car is gone. You now have to raise over 700,000 just because you bought diesel from a reliable petrol station, but the fuel has water components inside, excessive water component, because it should have water component, but it's excessive. So it will now go above the normal limit. And there's the adulterated ones. Try and service your vehicle at all times. Today I was looking for the engine oil to use on this car. It took me 2 days. The owner was saying, engine oil that is everywhere, how can it take me 2 days? I said, the engine oil for this car is not available in Nigeria. You have to look for. The car, according to Castro, it requires stop start C1. That's what they call it, stop start C1, and we don't have it here. You can, but now we have seen those who have C2. And they said the minimum is C2. You can use C2. But if you have C1, it is okay. So always ensure you get the right engine oil for every diesel car you are driving. If not, it is going to be a problem. And then the fuel filter has to be changed regularly. As you are changing your engine oil, change your fuel filter. It is very, very essential because the debris that we took out from this vehicle was too much. Make sure you don't buy fuel directly from the petrol station. Put it in a jerry can. If it's that effort you will make to put your car on the road, let it be. So make sure you do these 3 things: your fuel filter, your engine oil, and then the diesel, because you don't have any other place to get it. And then there are diesel cleaners and diesel cetane boosters, which we will introduce in due course. The people who are selling it, they will now come and tell you that you need to boost your cetane, because we don't even know the cetane level of the diesel we sell in Nigeria. So we are going to be monitoring all these things to bring to you the best way for you to have a smooth ride, whatever car you are bringing. We have not gotten to ethanol, but right now we are on diesel and petrol, and it's not working the way it should work in Nigeria. Until we come your way while we search for better options and solutions, stay blessed.
For more on Auto Guide, keep watching Auto Expert. Enjoy the rest of the program.
Did you know that an ordinary on from your steering could make you spend so much? I mean, the on control in your steering. Watch out for any time your mechanic work on your vehicle suspension and ensure that the steering is locked. If not, you could end up spending so much more than you bargained for. I still remain Hilda Shaibo. Keep watching Auto Expert. It is your guide to safety. Do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Instagram at official Auto Expert 1, Facebook Auto Expert, Twitter Auto Expert Pro. I'm going to leave you with a video of buses that can step over other buses during traffic. Enjoy.